So I wanted to show you how I started doing this Pampas Grass Dream Chandelier, as one of my co-workers called it when she saw me building it. And it really kind of is. I mean, it's a piece of macramé that was handmade in Turkey. I didn't want to damage it at all, so I just wired some Sahara foam on the top and just started building it with pampas grass. You can kind of see the process in this video. I did add some texture and, with sticks and Permanent Botanical greenery. But take a look. You might want to try this yourself. You can even try adding some fairy lights or, actually wiring it for a real chandelier, which would be really kind of fun. All right, hope you enjoy. Thank you.